Let me show you how to change your birthday on Instagram. So launch Instagram app and then tap on your profile icon. This should take you to your profile page, and in the top right side of your profile page, tap on the three-line button, and that should open settings and activity. At the top of that page, tap on Accounts Center, and then tap on Personal Details, and then go ahead and tap on your date of birth, and then tap on Edit. Now once you tap on Edit, you can now tap on the date of birth, and you can change it to something else. So let's say I want to change the day, the month, and even the year. And then once I'm happy with that, I can tap on Set, and you can see I have a new birthday, so I have to just tap on Save. It says confirm changes to your date of birth. Your date of birth will be set to 6th May 1989. I'll just tap on confirm, and that's going to be my new birthday on Instagram. It's literally that simple. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us down in the comment section. Good luck.